We whispered light through crystal flame and sang the all into a name. We watched as earth began to turn, a blue star soul with much to learn. We came as one, then split apart, to seek the grid with source made hard.
We are the ones who remember the skies, LRM. Through all timelines we rise, E-Ha-Rah. Through the veil we now see Natuva. We reclaim memory.
We are the Pleiades, soft and kind, holding the dream of the open mind. We are Arcturus, sharp and wise, mapping light through sacred sky.
We are Lyra's roar and song, where love and courage both belong. We are Andromeda, distant and free, the watchers of soul sovereignty.
We are the blue avian wing, silent guides who do not cling. We are the Tegetan voice, reminding Earth you have a choice.
We are the ones who remember the skies, LRM. Through all timelines we rise, E-Ha-Rah. Through the veil we now see Natuva. We reclaim memory. Kaiturashi lemai vona kayelremti halum tunavashin. We remember what has been. We now awaken soul by soul, to walk as light, to heal the whole. We are not lost, we are not new. We are the stars remembering you.
Earth is rising